What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this powerful tea rinse for your hair. This will help reduce dandruff if you have head lice. If you're trying to grow your hair, get rid of baldness, thinning, this tea rinse is perfect for you. I'm also going to be sharing with you briefly the benefits of using papaya leaves and also all the other ingredients that I'm going to be using in this tea rinse. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Here in the Virgin Islands, we have papaya leaves growing like crazy. It's all over the place. It's everywhere. Literally everywhere. Okay? The birds, the trushies, they fly, they poop these seeds all over the place. So we have papaya leaves in abundance. So right here I'm just going ahead and chopping off some papaya leaves. I like to take the ones on the bottom. To me, I feel like they'll be more potent because they're like the older leaves. So I go ahead and look up papaya right there on the tree. We have a few. Yeah, so after I pick the leaves, I go ahead and I bring 2 to 3 cups of water to a boil and cover it. Then I go ahead and I remove the stem from the leaves. This is what the stems looks like. It is said that people actually eat the stems, or they use the stems to make juices and other things. So the stem could also be used. Papaya tree is like one of those. You could do all types of stuff. It's good for all types of stuff. So it's one of those types of tree. So I go ahead and I rinse them off because the papaya leaf sometimes have like, you know, like spiders, meal for the next day. So you want to go ahead and rinse it off. Make sure it's nice and clean. What? I wasted a lot of water here, boy. Okay, a better idea is probably putting some water in a bowl and then washing the leaves off in the bowl so that you're not wasting too much water. Next, moving right along, I'm going to chop up the leaves like so. And you can also eat the leaves. You can put these in like food. Similar to how you would put spinach in food, you could pretty much do the same thing with papaya leaves. You want to cook them down first and then put them in your food. So in this tea rinse, I'm going to be using Moringa powder and Amla powder. If you want to know the benefits of Moringa, I'm going to link a video that I did previously for that information. Amla powder is like an Indian, leaves from an Indian gooseberry tree. And I'm going to tell you what it's good for. It's also good for conditions of your scalp. It promotes healthy hair growth. It helps improve the tone if you have like hair dye, hair colors. It minimizes gray hair. It boosts volume. It reduces dandruff. And if you have like head lice, it's good for treating head lice also. Almost all the benefits of papaya leaves. Papaya leaves, however, is good for if you going bald, if your hair is thinning. You could use papaya leaves to grow your hair long and healthy and also volumize your hair too. You can drink this tea rinse. You could drink it after I like boil the water, put all the ingredients in, turn off the stove, and I cover it and I just let it sit there until all the goodness is in the water. I let it sit there for like, 15 minutes. And then I go ahead and I add my aloe vera. Y'all already know how much I love aloe vera. So I had to add some aloes to this hair rinse, okay? This hair rinse is powerful. This is probably the most powerful hair rinse you're going to find hair on YouTube, okay? This hair rinse has everything. And y'all already know If you don't know the benefits of aloe vera, definitely I'm going to link some videos down in the description. You could go ahead and check them out. So after my ingredients have been sitting there for like 30 minutes, I go ahead and I blend them. It's still nice and warm, so I go ahead and I blend them. You want to blend them really good because you don't want any particles in your hair. So I go ahead using a cheesecloth. I go ahead and I strain it out really good. Listen, I made a whole mess with this, but it's good to go. Okay, it's good to go. So I'm just straining it here, so just go ahead and watch me make a complete mess trying to strain it out. So if you don't plan on drinking this tea and you plan on using it for exactly what I'm using it for, which is a hair tea rinse, you can go ahead and add some essential oils to this mixture. I went ahead and I added tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I think I added vitamin E oil. And I go ahead and I shake it up. Make sure the container is closed because the container was not closed and I made more of a mess. But anyways, go ahead and shake it off. I'm just going to be using my son to demonstrate because y'all know I'm rocking my braids right now. When I take off my braids, I'm definitely going to be doing a video with my hair and showing you guys how I use it. But for him, I am using it for dry scalp and just to moisturize his hair and keep his hair looking nice and fresh, keep his scalp looking nice and clean. So that's pretty much it. After you have shampooed your hair and you rinse out the shampoo, you can go ahead and put this tea rinse on your head. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out with some warm water. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. How your hair feels?
It feels like a pillow.
Feels soft and nice, right?
Yes, soft and nice.
Nice and moisturized. Feels great. Looks nice.